Hello students, very good morning to all of you and welcome to our e-learning class from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Myself, Deepak Kumar Pusti of Computer Science teacher. Today I am going to discuss the second chapter of class 5, that is Evolution of Computer. That means students, in this chapter we will discuss in the order of computer developed. That means in which year and which type of computer was developed, and the scientist, which type of scientist was discovered, invented, and when we'll discuss that one. So student, that is the evolution of computer. So basically in this case we'll discuss the evolution of computer contains of two parts. One is the revolution, another one is your generation of computer. So in the revolution of computer, so many types of the calculating devices, then mechanical calculating devices, mechanical computer have developed. Is that clear or not? Then discuss the what? Generation of computer. So in my first video of this chapter, we will discuss the first revolution of computer. So student, my heading is revolution of computer. That means the order of computer we will discuss. That means when the computer was developed first, then in which order the computer was developed. So students, the computer was developed by a number of persons in thousands or 5,000 years ago. So many peoples have tried to develop the computer. Recent computer, what we are using the nowadays computer, they have tried before 1,000 years ago. But in that case, in that time, they are all first developed the calculating device, because in that time no one any calculator was there. Okay. So first of all, in that time the people were using the what? Calculator. That means in this case we will discuss the first of all some of the calculating device. Then after that calculating device or calculator, then discuss the what? Computer. Okay students. So we know that what we are using the calculator in our home, school, organization, account section, the calculator is also one type of the computer. But this type of calculator was not made in that 1,000, the 5,000 years ago. So student will discuss, come to the what? Which computer was made first, then second, then third, like this. So come to the first one is abacus. So student, abacus is the first calculating device. It was the first calculating device made by China in 5,000 years ago. So student, it was made by China before 5,000 years ago. Okay. So in the abacus, that is a calculating device, then which type of calculation was made? Addition, subtraction. So by the help of the abacus calculating device, only we made what type of calculator? That means addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Is that clear, student? So your question will may come, which one is the first calculating device, or which type of the computer was the first calculating device? That name is the abacus. Is that clear, student? So you remember this one. Now come to the second revolution. Students, the second one is our Napier boards. So this one is the next calculating device after the abacus. Okay, the Napier boards. So student, this one is also one type of the calculating device which was invented by. So this type of the calculating device was invented by Sir John Napier. Sir John Napier. So this one was invented by Sir John Napier in 1640. So student, remember this one. Napier boards is the first type of the calculating device which was invented by Sir John Napier in 1614, and the Sir John Napier was the Scottish mathematician. Scottish mathematician. Remember this one, students. Very important. This one is also. And by the Napier boards calculating device, we calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And this type of 4 operations was done in that case Napier boards. And this calculating device was made up of, this one is also made up of rod. This one is made up of, students, rod with numbers which one has formed on the rod. Is that clear or not, students? Rod or sticks with number. That means written by the number and on the rod. That one is what? Which one? Calculating easily addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Is that clear, student? Then students, this one is the second revolution of computer. Now discuss, the student, the third revolution of computer. We'll discuss now the third revolution computer is Pascal line. So student, this one was invented by Blaise Pascal. He was one of the scientists which one made the Pascal line. According to the name Pascal, the calculating device name was the Pascal. This one is also one of the first calculating device in 1642. So Pascal line is the first type of the calculating device which one was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. And student, this type of the calculating device made up of, this one is made up of what, student? One of the rectangular box, then 8 movable wheels. So this one is made up of, first one is your rectangular box, then second one, students, 8 movable wheels. Okay, students, for this one we calculate only the addition and subtraction. Remember this one, students. So Pascal line is the first type of the calculating device made by Blaise Pascal in 1642, and this type of the calculating device really calculated addition and subtraction. Is that clear? So now come to the students. The next evolution of the computer is. So students, the next revolution of the computer is, the next of the is here reckoner. This one is another calculating device. Which one was invented by German mathematician? This one is invented by German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz. Okay, students. So this one is another calculating device made by the German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz in 1671. And this one is the most improvement of calculating device as compared with the Pascal line. So this one is a improvement calculating device as compared with the Pascal line. And this one is invented in 1671. Is that clear? The students, and in this type of calculating device, we calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the extra one is a square root also. So all type of the operations we have done here also, and the extra one is a what? Square root. Square. Okay, student. Your question will make on which type of the computing or calculating device used for calculating the square root. The answer is, remember, stupid rectangle. Is that clear or not, students? So remember, then we will discuss the next revolution of the computer. That one is your student analytical engine. That one is your analytical engine. Analytical engine. Okay, students. So students, this one is also one type of the calculating device. Which one was made by the Charles Babbage? This one is made by the Charles Babbage. Remember this one, students? Okay. So analytical engine is the first type of the calculating device. Which one is the first mechanical computer? This one is the first mechanical computer. Is that clear? The students, from the analytical engine, it was used the computer. That means what is the computer concept? So it has gone from the analytical engine, and this one was developed by Charles Babbage. Is that clear? That means in the computer we can calculate the so many types of calculation, any type of the complex calculation. Is that clear? Same also, one is your difference engine also. Difference engine. Okay, student, difference engine. This one is also developed by this one, Charles Babbage. This one is also developed by the Charles Babbage, and this one is called as mechanical calculating device. This one is called as a mechanical calculating device. Okay, students. So these are all only the calculating device, normal calculating device, and this one is a mechanical calculating device for which we can easily calculate the complex calculation. In which one? Difference engine. Remember this one. The difference engine is the first type of the computer which was developed by Charles Babbage for calculating the complex type of the calculation. Is that clear? So students, that's why the Charles Babbage is also called as the father of computer. That's why Charles Babbage was the father of computer. Remember this one. The father of computer, actually he has given the concept, the computer. Any type of the complex calculation was calculated by analytical engine and difference engine also. So that's why Charles Babbage was the father of computer. So student, the next one is your 7. That one is your what? ENIAC. ENIAC. Okay, student. So ENIAC, first of all, you listen carefully. What is the full form of ENIAC? E for the electronic. E for the electronic. N for the numeric. I for the integrator. I for the integrator. A for and. C for computer. C for computer. So students, ENIAC, electronic, numeric, integrator and computer. So this one is the first electronic machine. Is that clear? This one is the first electronic computer. Okay, student. So that means the ENIAC was under the first generation of computer. It was under the first generation of computer. First generation of computer. Okay, student. That means you can ultimately tell this one was developed from 1944. 1944. Which one? ENIAC. So that's why now this one is the most popular in that time as compared to the all type of the revolution of the computer. Is that clear? That means in 1944 the first electronic machine, computer machine was developed. So that is the first generation of computer. Is that clear or not, student? So remember all the types of the revolution of computer, students. Okay. Next we will discuss the what? The generation of computer. That's it. Thank you.